अगर ये वीडियो आप तक आया है तो यहाँ पर एंजल्स का आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज है। एंड टुडे व्हाइल आई वाज कीपिंग माय डेक आई सॉ दिस कार्ड व्हिच इज गाया। ओके, और इस कार्ड को देखते हुए आई फेल्ट अ वेरी स्ट्रांग नीड कि मुझे ये मैसेज आप लोगों के लिए नेचर में शूट करना है। नाउ लेट मी नो इफ यू लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियो, या यू वुड लाइक कि मैं बाहर जाऊँ, आउटडोर्स जाऊँ और फिर टैरो रीडिंग करूँ, बिकॉज मेरा ये एक्सपीरियंस वाज समथिंग beyond. Okay, and that being said, let us get started with today's reading. That if you clicked on this video, then universe, mother nature has a very important message for you. Okay, let's take it. We have a forest breath. Can you believe? Literally, मैंने आपके सामने अभी cards shuffle किए. Can you believe? And we have dance, which is celebration and forest breath. ये card हमें कहता है that the same kind of greenery that you are seeing around me is the same message from universe for you, that this time, this nature, the time that you need to spend is very important. This nature, this feeling, even is video say if you are not in nature, but you can sense the energy from my video, from my reading to yours. Okay, ये कार्ड हमें ये कहता है very very strongly that it is time for you to connect to your source. It is time for you to connect to nature. It is time for you to breathe. जब ये कार्ड हमारे सामने आता है, it talks about when you are in prakriti, when you are in nature, you can process stress much easier. आपके मन में जो भी negativity है, जो भी ऐसी चीजें हैं that you feel that you are closed off or you're not able to breathe, तो जब आप बाहर आते हो, when you are in nature, you can easily let all of that go. You can easily connect to nature. You can easily connect to प्रकृति. तो आप सभी के लिए ये मैसेज है of forest, of breath. So work on your prana, work on breathing in nature, work on connecting with the trees, work on connecting with the grass, walking barefoot on the grass. And you can't even imagine कि लाइफ के इतने बड़े बड़े जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो इस सब वाइब्रेशन से ही ठीक हो जाते हैं. ओके, एंड बी नेचुरल. जब ये कार्ड हमारे पास आता है तो इट टॉक्स अबाउट बीइंग वेरी वेरी नेचुरल. इट टॉक्स अबाउट कि जैसे हम हैं, जो हम ऑथेंटिक है, वैसा हमें रहना है. वन मोर मैसेज दैट आई एम गेटिंग फॉर द कलेक्टिव विद दिस इज दैट कि मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ईटिंग ग्रीन्स एज वेल, क्योंकि ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और मेकिंग अ डेली लाइफ स्टाइल की जहाँ पर आप थोड़ा सा ही सही बट यू टाइम टेक आउट इन नेचर and you focus on your breathing, maybe doing some pranayama, maybe doing some breath work. This is very important for you because ये क्या करेगा, आपकी बॉडी को calm down करेगा, आपके नर्वस सिस्टम को रेगुलेट करेगा. एंड व्हेन योर नर्वस सिस्टम इज रेगुलेटेड यू कैन हैंडल स्ट्रेस मच बेटर, यू कैन टेक डिसीजंस मच वाइजर, you can stay calm in the triggering moments, and you can even understand and have spiritual wisdom. So जैसे गुरु भी कहते हैं, ओशो भी कहते हैं कि प्रकृति से जुड़ना, नेचर से जुड़ना यानी परमात्मा से जुड़ना. तो यही मैसेज आप लोगों के लिए है that connect to nature, connect to prakriti. And back of the deck, we also have dance. So for some of you, I am getting a very important energy that, focus on celebration, focus on dancing, focus on letting go. The more you let go, the more it is easy for you to come back in your energy and to increase your manifestations power. Because कई बार क्या होता है कि we want some things to manifest. We also have dragonfly, which is emergence. ओके, कई बार क्या होता है कि हम चाहते हैं कि चीज़ें हमारे लाइफ में वर्कआउट करें, हम चाहते हैं कि ये ऐसा हो, वो वैसा हो, बट वाई डज इट नॉट हैपन इज बिकॉज आप सही अलाइनमेंट में नहीं हो. इट्स नॉट दैट द यूनिवर्स डज नॉट वॉन्ट्स टू गिव यू वॉट यू वॉन्ट. इट इज नॉट दैट द यूनिवर्स इज अगेंस्ट यू. इट इज नॉट दैट यू हैव डन सम बैड कर्मा. It is just because you're not aware. It is just because you're not taking responsibility of your energy. It is just because कि you are not surrendering to divine enough कि जहाँ पर miracles create हो सके. And breath is the easiest and the most strongest tool जिससे आप divine से, परमात्मा से connect कर सकते हो. So the same message is for you with the dance that celebrate, enjoy. I'm also sensing for some of you there will come a time of lot of celebration, letting the negativity go. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है you have been alone all along. ठीक है, आप बहुत अकेले हो चुके हो, या अंदर से you feel that where are your blessings, where is positivity, because you have been in solitude for a long long time. Okay, जैसे आप इस कार्ड में देख सकते हैं, you have been in solitude for a long time, and now with the rainbow I am sensing that your blessings are about to come. Okay, your blessings are about to manifest for you. This is a very, very, very beautiful, message that I'm getting. Okay. I'm also sensing that uh, you will find a lot of clarity and a lot of answers. आपके जो भी सवालों के जवाब है, या जिस भी situation में you feel that you are stuck, or you want to come out of any chaos, you want to come out of any negativity. So what I'm sensing for you is that the more grounded you are, the more focused you are on your physical body, वहां से आपकी strength बनेगी, so that you can experience higher spiritual wisdom. And this is so beautiful because aapka intuition will start working very strongly. You will feel much more grounded. I want you to claim this energy. I want you to claim the messages and the blessings and the positive energy from this video, so that cheeze aapke life mein bahut jaldi manifest ho, because mother nature has an important message for you, and the message is that she wants to connect to you. The message is that she is waiting. Ma Prakriti, Mother Nature, is waiting so that you can come to her and she can renew you. She can, take you out of the chaos. She can take you out of the stress, right? Such beautiful energy, such beautiful message. Let us see anything that we need to know more that is important. Let us go. We have Synergy Green Man. Can you even believe I told you in this video that I am sensing an energy of, greenery, of eating greens, of connecting to greenery, and literally how in sync this is to the message and to this, place that I am in right now. And we have literally Synergy, which is the green man. He card kehta hai that connect to, again, greenery, connect to forest, connect to the roots, because when you will be connected, जब आप connected होंगे, when you will be connected, when you will be surrounding with the greenery, surrounding with nature, तब कुछ miracle आपके life में घटना start हो जाएगा. And that time you will feel this energy of joy. You will feel this energy of happiness. And that energy of happiness is something that जो आपकी जो सूखी रूखी सूखी life है with the desert, or you feel dry, you don't feel happy, you don't feel any pleasure. And when you are connecting to nature, when you're connecting to Prakriti, we have shaman, okay, which is ancient healing wisdom. So you connect to your ancestors, you connect to the star seeds, you connect to Prakriti, you connect to the nature elements, right? And you feel that I am alive, you feel that I am renewed, right? ये message आपके लिए है. And you celebrate, and you dance, and you love, and you laugh. You laugh more, you love more, you feel alive more. एंड जितना ज़्यादा आप ये फीलिंग्स अलाउ करेंगे अपने अंदर, जितना ज़्यादा आप ये फीलिंग्स एम्बॉडी करेंगे, आप इतने खुश हो जाएंगे, यू विल फील सो मच जॉय. एंड सत्य क्या है? सच्चिदानंद, परम आनंद, दैट इज द सत्य, दैट इज द ट्रूथ. एंड व्हेन you are so joyful in your energy, trust me, Prakriti and the universe will pour more of that to you. And when you share it with the world, you become one with the source, you become one with the divine. And that is what we are missing. We are missing that connection. We are missing that link जिससे हम महसूस कर सके that we are one with the divine. Right? Such beautiful energy with the green man. We end your reading, and this will give you a very different perspective to your entire life, and this will create lot of power as well. तो ये message आप लोगों के लिए है जो माँ प्रकृति आपको यहाँ पर देना चाहती है. There are a lot of things that you are releasing in solitude. तो ऐसा नहीं समझना है that you are what are you doing with your life, या क्या हो रहा है, आप अकेले हैं, कब आगे क्या होगा. Actually what is happening is, while you are in the state of aloneness, while you're in the state of akelapan, that time what are you doing? You're processing a lot of negative emotions, you're releasing them, you are realizing that, and you're letting that go. Okay, so that when that is done, तो आपके अंदर और पॉजिटिव ऊर्जा आ सके, आपके अंदर और डिविनिटी आ सके, राइट? सो सच ब्यूटिफुल एनर्जी. एंड डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ एनी नेगेटिविटी और सॉलिट्यूड, बिकॉज प्रकृति क्या करती है? प्रकृति में जादू होता है, राइट? ट्रस्ट मी, जब मैंने ये डेक उठाया और मैंने जब गाया का कार्ड देखा इस डेक के पीछे, आई वॉज लाइक, आई वॉन्ट टू शूट दिस वीडियो, okay, in the garden, in the nature. I cannot shoot it in a room. I have to connect to her energy to be able to channel her messages to you. And trust me, like, it's been almost 10 minutes that I'm shooting this video, but I am feeling alive than I have felt in so many hours, so many days. I'm feeling so happy and feeling so good. And so that I can also reflect that goodness to you. I can tell you कि you can feel better, you can be better. You don't have to uh, confine yourself. आपको अपने आप को shrink करने की जरूरत नहीं. You can be happy, you can be free, you can be loved. Right. So this is the message that I'm having for you. Thank you so very much for connecting. I want all the green hearts in the comment section to connect to this greenery, to connect to the mother nature and claim this energy to connect with mother nature, to connect with Gaia. अगर आप कोई भी पर्सनल सेशंस, हीलिंग, गाइडेड मेडिटेशंस या कुछ भी 7 चक्रा हीलिंग, एनालिसिस, ऑरा हीलिंग, ऑरा स्कैनिंग, if you want any of the spiritual services, I am there for you. You can go in description box and directly reach out to me, have a session with me. I will leave you with that. Thank you so much. Lots of love, lots of light. Stay connected. Stay connected to Mother Earth. Stay connected to me. Stay connected to Tarot Shakti to transform your life. When you subscribe to the channel, तो आप उस community का हिस्सा बनते हैं. And then the magic amplifies. God bless you. Take care. Bye.